Friends, welcome to this week's Perfect News Analysis episode. I am Vineet Bhai once again before you. Let me yet again request you, if you have not so far subscribed to our channel, please do it. Well friends, today as we always do, we are going to take up both the international and the domestic issue. First, we will be taking up the domestic issue, that is of the death of a seer in Allahabad, Narendra Giri, by suicide. It may have some implications, fine, we will discuss that in detail later on. And secondly, just recently, only last week, the Prime Minister Modi had gone to United States for a multi-purpose meeting. He had a meeting with one-to-one meeting with US President, then there was a Quad meeting, and then there was the meeting of the UNSC which he had attended and spoken at. But we will take up the issue of Quad. Now friends, we will start with domestic issue, that is of the death of the seer. Friends, Mahant Narendra Giri, who is the head of the Akhil Bharatiya Akhada Parishad, he was found hanging in his mat in Prayagraj about a week back. Now this was really very surprising because one of the accused detained in this connection was his own disciple. Now what could be the reasons of his suicide? There are multiple theories. One is the money angle, because he had a lot of property, he had a lot of land, and there were some of his disciples. In fact, there is a report which says that he had willed it in somebody's name way back in 2011. Then again in 2015 he changed it in somebody else's name. Now perhaps police is investigating that this could be one of the reasons which might have led to his committing suicide. Second angle is the fact that earlier this year there was Kumbh Mela, in which he was opposed to the entry of transgender Akhada. In fact, he had opposed it very bitterly. That could also be another reason why he was made or led to commit suicide. Another reason could be that he had come up with a list of fake ascetics, and there was a dispute. Some of his colleagues, some of his friends from other akhadas, they may have not liked it. Yet another reason could be that in 2019, in connection with the murder of Ashish Giri, secretary of some akhada, over the property dispute, that was also another reason why he may have committed suicide. All these are matter of investigation, and time will tell that what exactly was the cause. But the fact remains that UP is election bound next year, and this guy, Mahant Narendra Giri, being a very senior seer of an important mark, that's very important from the political point of view also, and that was perhaps the reason why the UP government was very quick to order a probe, set up a 15-member SIT team, and at the same time they were quick to hand over the case to CBI. The idea is they want to ensure that whatever be the cause of his death or suicide, untimely death, should come before the public sooner than later, so that everything is crystal clear before the election. Because as I said, this may to some extent affect the poll chances of the party in UP, and that was the reason why the day he died, the very next day, the state government had declared a day long holiday in the Allahabad, that is Prayagraj now. So that is one thing. Now friends, the bottom line in this case is that most of the seers, the religious gurus, as we have seen in the past 15-20 years, that most of them, they have some show or the other on the TV programs, and they have become the very famous. Point is, why he committed suicide? Again, it boils down to the same thing, that as I said earlier, either property or some other dispute or some supremacy over one month of the other. And as I said, yet another reason which perhaps the police is also probing is that there was some, I don't know whether it is correct or not, but the people say and the report suggests that there could also be a sex angle to it. Whether all these things are there or not, as I said, this is a matter of time and matter of investigation. Well friends, this was insofar as the domestic issue is concerned. Now let us switch over to the foreign issue. Our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, only recently, in fact yesterday, returned from United States of a successful tour as BJP and the government would make us believe. Now he had a one-to-one meeting with the United States President. Then he had also addressed the UNSC meeting, and more importantly, he had a one-to-one meeting with the representatives of some other countries. And in fact, even more than that, he was part of the Quad Summit, which was called by the United States President Joe Biden. In fact, the fact that Quad has become so important for these Pacific region countries, especially America, Japan, Australia and India, can be goes from the fact that they have all come together for their common interest. See, the formation of the group points out to the fact that they have common interest, and that at the same time they want to stop China, because China is trying to increase its supremacy in the South China Sea, which is perhaps from the strategic point of view is not seen as a good move by other countries, especially Australia. And that is why the Quad Summit was all the more important. In fact, let us not forget that this was the first in-person Quad meeting being initiated by the US President Joe Biden in his capacity as the president. And the fact that he himself called it is all the more important. Secondly, see, some of the issues which came up for discussion in the Quad Summit, they were like the vaccines, the supply of vaccines, the climate change, the new tech and supply chains, besides strategic interest. So all this, because all these things are of strategic interest to these four countries, that is why they have grouped together, not only to stop China, but at the same time to further their own common interest in the world. Now, if seen from that point of view, I think it was a very important summit for India, because let us not forget that for the past 1.5 years, we have been having some strained relations with China, particularly with regard to what happened on the borders of Tibet and Arunachal Pradesh. As you all know what happened there. So from that point of view, I think it was strategically important for India to be there and to get some kind of assurance from the United States and the other countries that we are all together in stopping China from moving ahead. So the idea is India's interest, as far as the Quad meeting is concerned, the Quad Summit is concerned, India's interests are very important, and that is why Mr. Modi called it a very successful summit. That's all for today. Thank you.